to introduce you the nervous system.
Oh.
What?
Brain.
Your brain.
Nervous system.
So the nervous system is a very complicated network of cells in human body and is the main communication system. It has two major responsibilities to do. One, to collect and respond to information in the environment, and to control the working of different organs and cells in the body, including the brain. So as you can see from the diagram on the left side, that nervous system is split into the central nervous system, or we also call CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, as we also call the PNS.